In the AutoCAD Architecture toolset, the term architectural object refers to any object style that will result in the creation of a specific type of architectural geometry, such as a wall, door, stair, roof, slab, and more. Walls are complex objects that are affected by a variety of styles and substyles, but they are surprisingly simple to create in AutoCAD. In this example, standard wall styles are used. To place a wall, open the Tool palettes. From the Design tab, click Wall. In the Drawing area, pick a start point. Before placing an endpoint, in the Dynamic Input Distance field, enter an exact distance value for the wall, such as 20 feet. Then, press Enter. Zoom into the drawing to review the newly placed wall. Place another wall perpendicular to the first wall by clicking the endpoint. Now, before placing a third endpoint, you can close the shape the walls make, either with the Close command or the Ortho Close command. Ortho Close closes the space by drawing two walls based on the direction you specify. The direction is extended until it meets a line perpendicular to the initial edge of either wall. To launch Ortho Close, open the Options menu by pressing the down arrow key. From the menu, select Ortho Close and then click to close the shape of the walls. Ortho Close always connects to the initial wall at a 90-degree angle. From the ribbon, Home tab, Build panel, select Wall. Draw a few walls at random angles. Then, from the Options menu, select Ortho Close. To review the height of the walls you created, select a wall and open the Properties palette. From the Design tab, under Dimensions, you can review the wall's width, base height, and length. Here, you can make edits to the dimensions. Change the base height to 20 feet. Press Enter. Then, switch to an isometric view of the drawing. From the View cube, click Home. Notice that the edited base height is much taller than the other walls in the drawing. To get a better view of the walls, click the Viewport controls and from the menu, select a different viewport, such as Realistic or Conceptual. Now, edit the width of the wall whose base height you modified. Select the wall, open the Properties palette, and from the Design tab, Dimension Group box, set the width to 2 feet. Change the viewport to a top view to review the differences in wall width. Placing walls in AutoCAD Architecture is a simple process, yet you can still harness robust customization options